what's up, Tech Crew? This is Mr. Tech here, or Mr. Sure Tech, if you want to be that technical. Get it? Puns? So, I've been looking at the last video, and saw that the font was too small, and I thought that you guys didn't know what to do, really. So, here's what we're going to be doing. We are going to be indexing and splicing today, and, I shouldn't have showed you guys that one, but whatever. So, basically, when you're indexing and splicing, you're taking bits of letters out of the whole word, right? And seeing where their position is and everything. It's actually really cool to use. So, before we do that, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a print and input statement one last time, because you guys probably didn't really catch on to the last video since the font was so small. So here's how you use print statement. So you just say print. You just say print, and then you follow it by parentheses, and that, quotes, and then you just type in anything that you want, like this. Anything. Or hello world, or whatever. If you want to do input, you can say print, just add an input right there, and that. And then it says that, and then you go, and then it just prints out that. So, I'll get into more depth in inputs, probably in the next video, but right now I'm only going on index and splicing. So, let's do splicing first. Imagine that you have a pizza, right? And you want to share it amongst your friends. And only like a couple people want a slice and a couple people want 2 slices, right? Pretend you have 3 friends and each person wants a slice. So there's 8 total slices in a pizza. So now you have 5 slices. Okay? So that's basically what it is. You're slicing a pizza. Basically, here's what you're doing. You're defining a variable. So let's say 5 as a variable. 5 equals hello. Okay? So what you're going to do with this 5, pretend we want to take out the E and the L, right? We want the E and the L to show up here. Okay? We want the E and the L to show up here. In order to do that, we need to splice it. We can't just say print 5, right? We can't just say print 5 because it will print the whole thing 5. Instead, we want to print 5, right, with brackets and saying 1 through 3. 1:3. Okay? So basically, prints out EL. So wait, you guys are probably thinking right now, wait. Why didn't it just print HEL, right? Well, here's the thing. With hello. Right? Hello. Now, in hello, the computer gives it numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. With these numbers are assigned to a certain letter. When you're always counting, in the computer's perspective, you're always starting at 0, not 1, because look, here's what happens. You get it? Okay. I don't know why the computer counts from 0, but just take it like that. And you guys are probably saying, wait. Why didn't you just print ELL? Well, here's the thing. Just like the range function, it stops at 3, but doesn't print the letter at 3. In any ways, here's what it's saying. Like, take the range function in a for loop. For I in range, let's just say 100, right? For I in range 100, print I. Oh, shit. Print I. It's going to print 99. So basically, that's what it's doing. It's printing everything but 100. So basically, it's saying it's printing everything but the letter at 3, but it's printing 1 and 2. So think of it like this. 0, 1, 2, 3 if you're assigning it to 3, but 3, 4. If you want to print out the whole word, it's 1, 5. E-L-L-L. 0, 5. Hold on for a second. Ah, I hit the spot, people. So with that out of the way, here's what splicing is. Splicing is taking letters out of a string. Essentially, that's what it is. Now, as I discussed, the letters, you always count from 0. This is essential because this is what creates bugs and stuff. Because you probably are still relating to your math stuff and saying, wait, but we always start out at 1. In computer science, it's a lot different. So after you have done splicing, we're going on to indexing. Indexing, my favorite. Over-exaggerate joke. So when you're indexing, you're basically looking for an index position. Same as slicing, but you don't take letters out of the word. You look for the word. So basically, if you have a variable, such as 5, and you have a list, like saying Mary, Tom, let's say Tom, and 30, and, oh my gosh, 30, and let's just say Billy. Okay. Okay. So, this is your list. That's assigned to the variable. Let's just say I wanted 30, right? I can say, same thing as slicing. Print 5, and I give its index position. Same thing as slicing, but you just use one number. So, let's look. We're printing 30, right? 0, 1, 2. 2, close it off, close it off. Dang it, my paper clips fell. Just print 30. That's what indexing is. Just like that, guys. So here's another thing. Okay, guys. Here is another example. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to get rid of this white square. So let's just say we're going to B. Okay. Equals probably like hello, and then this is like a little bit of advanced, but name. I got something in my eye. Like hello, name. If we wanted to do something in for name, we would have to say, we have to use a format. So print b.format and say in parentheses, what's that? Okay, name equals, hold up. Name equals, let me think. Gotta find my name. Let's just say John. Oh, I know what we have to do. So here's what we're gonna have to do. We are going to have to create another variable. Let's just say A equals 10. Okay, first name, and then A, and then, oh, not bad. Oh, another one. 0. I'm a little bit slow with my parentheses. She said, hello, Tim. 0. 0, 1, 2. Or you can just leave it like, These things are really starting to kill me. I think you can leave it like this, too. Okay, Okay, that's fine. Hold up. I gotta put something in here. 0 through 4. Let's just say that. 0 through 4, right? Yep. 3 letters in the names. That means, oh my gosh. So this is what we're basically doing. I forgot. Hello, Tim. Thank God. I just had finals today, and I don't want to hear it in the comments. So here's what we're saying. We're defining 2 variables. Okay? This is part of concatenation too, but we're formatting. Okay? Concatenation is a little bit different, but I'll explain that possibly in the next 2 videos. I'm going to go into depth a little bit more about indexing. So we're doing this. We're saying A equals 10. B equals hello, name. The reason why I did these squirrely brackets is saying we're going to put something in where name is. So I say B, print B.format. Then I'm saying name equals A04. So basically I'm saying print the format. This is the syntax of the format. And then in the format, I'm going to assign name to A. And then in A, I'm going to say 0 to 4. Replay that back if you guys want to. But basically, I'm just saying print B.format. Okay? B.format. Name. I'm saying name. But I'm going to put something in for name. That's why I'm saying equals A. 0 through 4. I'm giving the index of this. That's basically it, guys. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Keep teching it up. And see you guys in the next video. Possibly coming out tomorrow. If I can. But if not, probably like Thursday or Friday. Have a nice day, guys. Keep on coding.